Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Anyway. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix cannot copy item in you do not have the permission to create this item. So simply few methods. And before we are begin, like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe our YouTube channel. This method working then only subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay. Now let's start the methods or solution. Then first solution restart. So go to the start menu. Then click to power button, then select it restart button, click here to restart your system. Then next solution, then device manager. So go to the device manager, then click here to open it, then come to below, scroll down, then find that USB, the connector manager, or the universal serial bus controller. Hit the click here to expand here the selected USB composite device, then right click, then update driver, click here, then browse my computer for drive, click to, then change location, so browse, click here, then scroll down, this PC expand the local disk, again expand that Windows, scroll down, expand selected that win folder, the hit the OK, then wait, change location, so hit the let me pick, so the next USB composite device selected, then click to next button. After that update your graphics card, then update the USB, then close it, then refresh your system, then go to the next solution, troubleshoot. So Windows button plus X button, click here, then select it run, then type in msdt.exe id device diagnostic in run, then click to OK. After, then click to next. Here wait, it is detecting problems. You can try this, fix this problem. So try it. Have not. Okay. Hit the apply this fix. Then click to next button. After the restart your PC. Then go to the next solution. Then connected your phone. After, then create new folders. Then your file. Then right click. Then click to copy. Then go to double tap to folder, open it. Then here paste. Come to back. Then create the new folder. Then right click, then show more option, click here, then click to send the option selected, then find your connected your phone, then click to move it. Okay, it is finished. Finally restart your system, then your problem fixed. Thanks for watching, and like and comment this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and this method working then only comment section, go to comment and like and comment, then subscribe our YouTube channel.